What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? It's your girl Autumn Billy, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new and already subscribed, go ahead and like this video. Boom. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these CROCS step by step. Yo, get into them. But before I show you, make sure you subscribe. Stop this video, do whatever you have to do. Okay, let's get right into it.
The furnace, bringing pain, don't call me Curtis. Ride fast, but don't get nervous. Finna raise on top of surface. Me, myself, and ain't no verses. Making money, only purpose.
Swap back gon' snap on a beat, he gon' leave it deceased in the time he approach. And I got some nigga that tell like my blood when I call it no question. You know they in motion. She pretty and ghetto, her attitude something like a panther. I like it, she get fast and over.
I'm gonna show y'all how to decorate these black CROCS and kind of like my little process. She got a black CROCS size 10. And then she want a gold rhinestones. This is my first time using the gold one. I only had silver, so she want gold rhinestones, black charms, gold tassel, and then like a little splash of color. So I'm gonna figure out what color to add in, which is probably, I don't know, I might do red, but I already did that on another black shoe. So I'm gonna pull it out of here. You wanna make sure you have some down, cause this glue get a little messy. And I am gonna put on my mask because this glue is very strong, like very strong. I don't know, my mama said it don't bother her, but it really bothers me. So glue, I use this little paintbrush to like put the glue on the rhinestones or the charms, because I don't like, you know, putting it on there with the little nozzle because too much comes out. I have gloves because glue is very, like, once you get it on your hands, you probably not gonna get it off until about 2 days. I got my charms over here. I know, I'll show y'all. Got my charms. I got my pearls, the big tray charms, and then the little kitty charms. So boom, what I'm gonna start off with is adding the rhinestones. So let's open this up. These, I wish it like had a starting point. Like they don't really have a starting point, you have to make it. So yeah, that's why you're gonna need some scissors. So got the gold baked from right here to the other side. Just measure it all the way to the end, and it start like right about there. Cut it. Boom. So you really could go ahead and do the other pieces. So I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So let me go ahead and measure it. These gloves so big, y'all, but when I went to Walgreens, they only had one size. So put a little glue on the paper towel and then dip it with my paintbrush. Dip in it and put it on here. And then put it around here. Make sure you put it in the right spot, because like once it go down, it ain't coming back up, okay? Okay. And put that around here. So. Okay. So next, what I usually start out doing is picking out my charms, like black and gold charms. So I pull out all my black charms. I just set it on there, you know, before I glue them down to see how it looks. Like, just set them on there. super cute. I think I'm gonna add something right here. So this is how the Crocs turned out. They look really cute. They already sold out.